Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button as well. Let's get started. This is gold. Hourly chart, gold just made high around 1949. Gold is up nearly $50 from yesterday because Russia finally attacked in Ukraine. Russian President Putin authorized military operation in east of Ukraine. According to media report, explosions have heard in Don. Kiev declare a state of emergency, call up reservist. Interestingly, the Russian president said that he had ordered Russian forces to protect the people and demanded Ukrainian forces lay down their arms. That is an interesting one. He also blamed US and other NATO nations. He said that NATO expansion to include Ukraine was unacceptable and said Russia had been left with no choice but to defend itself against what he said were threats from Ukraine. Interestingly, Moscow has long denied that it has plans to invade despite massing tens of thousands of troops near border of Ukraine. After the Russia attack, US President said his prayers were the people of Ukraine. Interestingly, US didn't announce any military action or such as, but they said they will announce further sanction on Russia on Thursday in addition to financial measure imposed this week. So there would be more sanctions on Russia coming their way probably today by today's evening. So now finally Russia has started, or I should say it has already attacked Ukraine. Now we have a clarity that now there is no uncertainty that there will be attack. Now there is attack happening already. So we could say that it is a little bit of ease for us to trade in gold prices. Now let's have a look at resistance and support in gold price now. 1918, that will act as support now. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect gold to test around 1900 and 1890. Resistance at 1951. Above this resistance, expect 1960 and 1970. Currently gold is in ultra bullish zone, so trade carefully if you are planning to sell. Do not go for sell till market is holding above the support. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. It tested above $25 and currently trying to settle around 24.90. It is also trading in positive zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support now. 24.55, that will act as support now. If silver break and sustain below this support, then expect 24.20 and $24. Resistance at 25.10. Above this resistance, expect 25.30 and 25.60. Currently silver is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil finally tested around $97. In fact, Brent have tested $100 already. So we are just a few days or hours away to test $100 in crude oil. Currently we are trading around $96.20. Let's have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. 92.90, that will act as support now. If oil break and sustain below the support, then expect $92 and $91. Resistance at 97.30. Above this resistance, expect $98 and $99. Currently all three commodities are trading in extremely positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to forex. First, euro. This is euro. It made low around 1208, currently trading 1240. Obviously it is trading in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support now. 1200, that will act as support now. If euro break and sustain this support, then expect 1150 and 1100 resistance at 1290. Above this, expect 1330 and 1360. Currently it is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to pound. This is British pound. It made low around 34.86, currently trading around 35.10. It is also trading in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support now. 35.50, that will act as resistance in British pound now. Above this resistance, expect 3600 and 3630. Support at 3470. Below this support, expect 3420 and 3400. Currently British pound is also trading in weak zone. Let's move on to cryptos. First we will see Bitcoin. These are the levels I have given you yesterday. 37,900 was support. Here the support have broken and it tested around 34,550. So almost $4,000-$5,000 after the support. Now obviously it have entered in weak zone because our support have broken. Now resistance at $37,100. Support now 33,200. Trend is weak, so trade accordingly. It is down nearly 6% today, so please be careful while trading in cryptocurrencies. Let's move on to Ethereum. Support was 2450. It has broken now. It has entered in weak zone. So let's, in fact, since yesterday it is in weak zone. Resistance now $2560. Support now 2320. Trend is weak, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Indian market. This is Indian market gold, currently trading 51,300 rupees. Resistance at 51,900. Support at 50,600 rupees. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. when INR will close. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post. You can also check copper, zinc and natural gas levels in community post right now. Silver is trading 65,780, 760. Silver resistance at 66,400 rupees. Silver support at 64,600 rupees. The range is really wide because of market wide range. For paid signal, you can send message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen right now. You can also join me for live stream from 7 to 8 p.m. I usually live stream on my streaming channel. Link is in description. Also follow me on Twitter and Telegram for live market updates and live data updates. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. So that was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up, and for regular update consider subscribing my channel. If you have any feedback, please leave a comment in comment section. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.